Hi guys, this video is about how to have an option or a possibility to make Google Chrome faster. So I had this situation several times when I had the impression that Google Chrome was really slow and I didn't know if it's coming from the whole system or something from Google Chrome or what is it. So where do we have bottlenecks? Where we do we have large CPU consumers or storage consumers which can cause this problem. Yeah, I'm sorry about this strange noise. My neighbor is doing the lawn work today, so I hope you are still able to understand what I'm talking about. So here we have Google Chrome with all the tabs. Yeah, here, of course, a little bit better when I'm doing it. Yeah, let's put these windows to the side so you can see. Here we have a lot of tabs and it's hard to find out. Yeah, I mean all these tabs when they are in the background, they are still consuming CPU, they're still consuming memory, and so it's really hard to find out. I mean, when you're going to the task manager, I mean, we have the overall task manager here. I mean, at least the resource monitor. We can, of course, find some things. We have a lot of Google Chrome tasks, but they don't tell you that they just tell you if it's Google Chrome. We can like click on average CPU and then we find some Google Chrome tasks, but we don't see them in detail yeah, which tab is causing which amount of or consuming which amount of CPU or memory. So what can we do? A lot of people don't know that actually also Google Chrome has its own task manager, and of course it can be invoked by go to settings and find, but it's much easier if you click on shift and escape and then it should pop up. Sometimes it doesn't do that, or I have it in the background, can't remember. No, it shouldn't be the case. So I try again, shift, escape, and usually it pops up. This time it doesn't. So hold on a second, I have to find out the cause of this. Yeah, I cannot explain what caused this problem. Now, of course, when I'm hitting Shift Escape, it does it, or at least when I post this video, it did it, so it must interfere somehow. So I post the video again. So that's really strange, but anyway, I mean, here we have the um, task manager. You can usually it should work really with shift and escape, or you go to settings and then I think you have options, extended options, or you can search in the options. Google Chrome has recently added the search function for this thing, so you can search for Task Manager. Shouldn't be a problem. So, what can you do now? We have a lot of things. We have several options here. We can right click on here on the top and then we can choose from several options like CPU, GPU, memory, and a lot of things we can choose from. And of course, when we click on the things, then it will put these in order. So when we want to have most CPU, like current CPU consumption, we click here, and if we want to see the overall CPU time since you started Google Chrome, then you click on that. So as I'm doing here, so it puts it in order, and then you can see how much CPU, which task is consuming most CPU. You go on top and you see that yeah, we have GPU process, and we have, yeah, the browser overall. I think there's some like framework or something which is consuming a lot of memory and CPU all the time. Then we have, of course, some tasks which are doing a lot of network activity all the time, like the Telegram. You can see Telegram is really using a lot of network traffic all the time, even when you don't have it in an active tab and other stuff. So, and also extensions. Here we have also extensions. Also extensions can cause a lot of CPU or can consume a lot of CPU time or memory and those things. So yeah, it's always good to have a look at these things, what they are doing. Sometimes there are doubtful extensions which can cause a lot of memory consumption and the CPU consumption. Lately, there were even some mining extensions. I mean, some extensions which had some like Bitcoin mining included, and mostly they were removed, of course. But they can come up anytime again. So it's always good to have a look and see what is causing what is consuming most CPU. If you have an app or extension which is causing a lot of consuming a lot, you should have a closer look at it and maybe report to Google or Google Chrome. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, remove the unneeded things. Maybe close a few tabs which consume a lot of stuff in the background. But yeah, that's it so far. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that video. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.